Okay, hi students. Today I'll discuss with preparations of it is a aldehydes and ketones. Okay, aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. Okay, now Rosenmund's reaction. Rosenmund's reaction. It is very important reaction. This reaction for the preparation of aldehydes only. Okay, it is very important. Aldehydes. Okay, Rosenmund's reaction. So, what is the highlights for this one? It is for to prepare only aldehydes. To prepare only aldehydes. And second one, by using okay, Lindlar's catalyst. Okay, what is Lindlar's catalyst? That is a palladium barium sulfate. Palladium barium sulfate poisoned by it is a sulfur. It is very important. And one more thing, this is the partial reduction of partial reduction of acyl chloride or acyl halide. Okay, that is a acyl halide is converting into aldehydes with the help of Lindlar's catalyst. That is called as a Rosenmund's reaction. What is a acyl halide? Acyl chloride or C double bond O. It is a Cl in presence of it is a Lc. What for Lc? Lc means it is a Lindlar's catalyst. What happened here? Here bond breaking. Okay, so it is a Lindlar's catalyst. It can provide two hydrogens. Okay, one hydrogen combines with the Cl, it can form it is a HCl. Then okay, so Cl place is occupied by it is a H, that is a R, C double bond O, it is a H. This is a aldehyde. It is a very important aldehyde. Okay, so this is a aldehyde. And one more thing, it is a what is R? R is equal to alkyl or aryl group. It is very important. What is the drawback of it is a Rosenmund's reaction? In this method, we can't prepare. Okay, we can't prepare. It is very important. We can't prepare. There is a formaldehyde. It is very important. Remaining all types of aldehydes we have to prepare. That is a aromatic aldehydes and aliphatic aldehydes. Okay, once again see all of you Rosenmund's reaction. It is for to prepare only aldehydes. That is aromatic and aliphatic. Next one, by using Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst means palladium barium sulfate poisoned by sulfur. It can act as a Lindlar's catalyst. Next one, this is the general equation. This is a acyl halide or acyl chloride. Acyl chloride undergoes reduction, partial reduction. With the help of Lindlar's catalyst, we will get the aldehyde and HCl. So suppose what is R? R is equal to alkyl or aryl group. Next one, this method it is not okay. What is the drawback of Rosenmund's reaction? We can't prepare is a formaldehyde due to formyl chloride is a unstable molecule. That's why we can't prepare is a formaldehyde. This is very important. This is the generalized equation. I'll take one example. See all of you. I'll take examples. Okay. See here. First one it is a suppose it is a CH3 C double bond O, it is a Cl. It is a acetyl chloride. Acetyl, okay, acetyl chloride is very very important in presence of, it is a LC. What for LC? Lindlar's catalyst. Here bond breaking, one hydrogen and Cl is combined, it is a HCl plus. Next one, it is a CH3 C double bond O, it is a H. This is the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay, next one. Okay, next one I'll give one more example. Okay, this one it is a benzyl chloride. Okay, see here. Benzyl chloride, it is a benzene. It is C double bond O, it is a Cl. Okay, in presence of, it is a Lindlar's catalyst. It is a benzyl chloride. It is a benzyl chloride. Same thing here, bond breaking, and one hydrogen and Cl. It is a HCl is formed. Next one, okay, is this one. It is a benzaldehyde. Okay, so this is a CHO. This is a benzaldehyde. It is a very 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 important reaction. Okay, that's all. This is for, it is a Rosenmund's reaction. Next one, it is a Stephen reaction. Next step. Stephen reaction. See here. Stephen reaction. Okay, it is a very simple. Okay, see here. R. Okay, so it is a simple one. It is a R C triple bond N. Is react with very simple reaction only. It is a SnCl2 in presence of HCl. What happened here? Okay, so here one pi bond is lost. One hydrogen adding here, one hydrogen adding here. That is a R CH double bond. It is a NH. It is a imine. It is imine. Next one, on hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium. It is very simple. Okay, so NH and H2O minus NH3 gas is eliminated. Next one, this oxygen attacking here only. That is a RCHO. This is the aldehyde. It is a very very important reaction. Okay, see all of you. Okay, so Stephen reaction. In Stephen reaction, what happened here? First one, it is a, this is a alkane nitride. It is a alkane nitride. It is very very important. Alkane nitride undergoes reduction. Okay, so it is a reduction. So it is a Stephen reaction. Alkane and react with this one reduction. Reduction means it is the addition of hydrogen. Hydrogen is added to form imine. Imine undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium. H plus means acidic medium to form, it is a aldehyde. Suppose if you take, it is very important. So R is equal to, it is a CH3 C triple bond N. Okay, C triple bond N in presence of, it is a SnCl2 and HCl. Okay, so it is a ethane nitride. This name is a ethane nitride. Okay, next one pi bond is lost, one hydrogen adding here, one hydrogen adding here. It is a CH3 CH double bond. It is a NH. It is a imine. It is imine. Next one, on hydrolysis, same condition on hydrolysis. Okay, so it is a NH3 gas is eliminated. Next one, it is a CH3CHO. Okay, so this is the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Okay, in this method we can't prepare for, it is a ketones. This is also for only, okay, only for, it is a aldehyde only, not for, it is a ketones. Next one, suppose in case, okay, benzene nitride. Okay, this one, it is C triple bond N. okay, in presence of, it is a SnCl2 and the HCl. What happened here? It is a benzene. Okay, same thing here. It is a 1 pi bond is lost. It is CH double bond. It is a NH. This is the imine. Okay, this is imine. Again on hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium. Same thing. It is a minus NH3 gas is eliminated. Next one, this compound is formed. That is a CHO. This is the benzaldehyde. Benzaldehydes. Okay, once again here, Stephen reaction for the preparation of only aldehydes. That is a aromatic and aliphatic. Okay, so that's why it is a Stephen reaction. So alkane nitrile undergoes reduction in presence of spin chloride. Okay, so we will get it is a aldehyde. So according to this method, or according to this Stephen reaction, we will prepare both alkyl and aryl halides. Sorry, aryl, it is a aldehydes, not for halides. Sorry, students. Okay, so this is for in PUC. Suppose they are asking it is a right. It is a okay. So different. They are asking question for different methods. Write any one preparation of aldehyde. You have to write this only, or otherwise explain Stephen reaction in PUC. You have to write this only. Okay. So what is the mechanism? It is very very important. See all of you. Okay, this is for a design. See here, the Stephen reaction. Okay, so what we observed here? What is intermediate compound here? Imine is the intermediate compound. Okay, mechanism. This is very very important, students. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, so in mechanism, first step, it is a SnCl2 plus it is a 2HCl gives rise to what happened here. It is a SnCl4 plus 2H plus. SnCl4 plus 2H plus. Now it is a oxidation number of tin. It is a plus 2 because of chlorine. It is a 1 chlorine minus 1, 2 chlorine minus 2. It is minus 2 automatically. It is a plus 2. Next one. Similarly, it is a plus 4. Okay. So chlorine oxidation number is minus 1, 4 chlorine is minus 4, it is a plus 4. Okay. So this one, what you observe here, this tin oxidation number is plus 2, here tin oxidation number is plus 4. What you observe here, it undergoes, tin undergoes oxidation. Oxidation means it is a increasing in oxidation number or loss of electrons, okay, or addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, any one takes place, that is called as a oxidation reaction. See all of you here, it is a how many electrons are lost here? It is a oxidation number is increase, plus 2 to plus 4. This is the example of oxidation. Next one, how many electrons are lost here? Here 2 electrons, here 4 1. What is the difference here? 4 minus 2. It lose, it is a 2 electrons. Very very important. Next one, this is the first step. What is the second step? See here, it is very important. In second step, or C triple bond N, okay, plus, it is very very important, students, plus it is a 2 electrons, very important, students. So here it is a carbon and nitrogen, these 2 electrons gained by nitrogen because of carbon is more electronegative, that's why it is a minus, that means it is a 2 electrons are there. Automatically it is a, this is plus will be there, okay, positive charge. These 2 electrons are gained by this only, that is a carbon, because of it is a electron deficient site, okay, low electron density is there, 2 electrons are adding here only, that is a R C double bond, see here, it is a double bond N minus, it is a 2 electrons. Next one, these 2 electrons are gained, no? Okay, it is a plus charge will okay, it is a pairs. Next one, minus, it is a 2 electrons. You have to verify, carbon and nitrogen both are is a electron efficient sites, so minus charge, plus, it is a 2H plus, see here, in 2H plus is there, so one H plus attacking here, one H plus attacking here. You will get or CH double bond NH. This is the imine. So this is the second step. The next one, that is a third step. See here. In third step, if you take it is a imine, that is a or CH double bond, it is a NH plus. Okay. So according to this one, okay. So imine undergoes hydrolysis. Imine undergoes hydrolysis. So that is a H2O can split into H plus and OH minus in presence of acidic medium. This is the acidic medium. Okay, H2O can split into H plus and OH minus acidic medium. Now it is a these two electrons, carbon and nitrogen, which is more electronegative. Carbon is nitrogen is more electronegative. These 5 electrons are shifting to nitrogen. It will get a negative charge. Next one, carbon acquires loss of electrons. It will get this a positive charge. Now it is a OH minus group is attacking here only. H plus group attacking here only. You will get it is a R. Okay. Next one it is a CH and OH minus it is a NH2 gives rise to. Next one, what happened here? You have to verify this compound. It is a NH2 minus. It is a NH2 minus. It is a good living group. Good living group. It is very, very important. What happened here? This 2 electrons gained by nitrogen. Okay, it acquires is a okay. That is a NH2 minus. It's very important. Next one. This bond is shifting to here. It is eliminated as a H plus. Okay. This H plus and NH2 minus both are combined. NH2 gas, NH3 gas is eliminated. Next one, it is a RCHO is formed. This is the mechanism of it is a Stephen reaction. It is very, very important, students. Once again, I'll explain. Okay. So it is a in Stephen reaction. In Stephen reaction, RC triple bond N. It is a alkane nitride. In alkane nitride is react with the okay undergoes reduction in presence of SnCl2. Further undergoes hydrolysis to form aldehyde. Okay, mechanism SnCl2 plus 2HCl. Okay, it undergoes oxidation. It loses 2 electrons. Here next is a R double triple bond N is a minus. Okay, so it gains 2 electrons. Next one is a imine is formed and then imine undergoes hydrolysis to form aldehyde. This is the mechanism of it is a Stephen reaction. It is very, very important. What is good living group in this reaction? That is NH2 group is a good living group. Okay. Next one, it is a Stephen is completed. Next one, third one. I think in third one, diball H. What is the full form of diball H? Diisobutyl aluminium hydride is very, very important, students. Okay, what is the simple? What is the formula? Isobutyl. It is a CH3. Simple. 1, 2, 3. This one. Okay. So diisobutyl. That means it is a 2. Fill the hydrogens. It is a CH3. It is a CH. It is a CH3. It is a CH2. It is a diisobutyl and aluminium hydride. Okay, this is for diball formula. Okay, it is very, very important. It is a third method. So only aldehyde preparations. First one, what is the first one? First one, it is a Rosenmund's reaction with the help of Lindlar's catalyst. Second one, Stephen reaction. Third one, it is a diball. Diball means it is a diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Suppose See here, it is a R, C double bond O, it is a Cl, it is a acyl halide. Gives rise to, it is very very important. Diball, it is a diball H. Diball H, you will get is a RCHO, it is aldehyde. Next one, in case, suppose this is the general equation. Okay, so next one it is a CH3, C double bond O, it is Cl, same reagent, that is a diball, you will get a CH3CHO. This is the acetaldehyde. Similarly, it is a R, C triple bond N, it is a alkane nitride. Okay, you have to verify here. This is for the reactant of, it is a Rosenmund's reaction. This is for the reactant of, it is a Stephan reaction. Okay, same thing. This one, it is a RCHO. Okay, example. Suppose it is a CH3 C triple bond N. Same, it is a diball. You get it is a CH3 CHO. This is the acetaldehyde. It is very very important. Next one, you have to see there, and the 3 acyl halide. Okay, acyl halide undergoes reduction in presence of diball, you get aldehyde. Or alkane nitrase undergoes reduction in presence of diball, you get aldehyde. And one more thing is there. In third one, ester. See here. In ester, what happened here? It is a C. Okay, that is a R C double bond O. It is a O R dash. Same, it is a diball. It is a diball. Okay, diball H. So what happened here? Here bond breaking. It is very important. Here bond breaking. That is a RCHO. Next one. It is a R dash. It is a OH. Alcohol. Along with aldehydes, alcohol also is formed. Diball, it is utilized for the reduction of 3 types of compounds: alkyl, acyl halides, alkane nitride, and esters. 3-1. Okay, so 3 are using. Suppose it is a CH3, C double bond O and O, it is a CH3. Same this one. What is the product here? That is a CH3CHO plus here bond breaking, it is a CH3OH, methyl alcohol. These 3 methods for the preparation of only aldehydes.